Hey everyone, it's Jen Plans, and I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing of the brand new bi-monthly Planner Society kits, and it comes in this beautiful box. Look how pretty this is. Kits are bigger because they are bi-monthly, but you still have a Washi Tape Society kit and a Sticker Society kit. And this month I did not get the full box kit. I'm going to go ahead and get started with these two kits first. So the Washi Kit comes with these really pretty washies. We have this really big one, and it is actually foiled with gold foil on that pretty floral pattern. Oh, I think that's rose gold actually. And then these are rose gold foil. It has some bows and the floral pattern, and then this skinny washi. So pretty. Next we have the Sticker Society kit. So you get the bows, the little flags, when you can actually add your title right there. But this one says work, bill due, and urgent. And you have some circles, and they're all foiled. And then you have days of the week, some appointment labels, and some icons. Some more words and some banners. Some bow checklists. And some more headers, lots of bow checklists, and then some more of these really pretty deco and flags. So pretty. Now we'll move on to the main kit. So you get 6 8.5 by 11 papers, and they're both double-sided. I'll show you the A and the B side. So pretty. Colors are just gorgeous, and I love that houndstooth pattern. These are just so cute. Love those. And then you get more specialty papers with the bi-monthly kit. You have this vellum, floral vellum, and it actually has gold foil on that. So gorgeous. 2 sheets of acetate. This is the first one, and then this one is the second one. This is just stunning. So pretty. And then we have this beautiful lace paper, and it has like a kind of really pretty sheen to it. It's so pretty. Next, the main kit comes with this really pretty pen, and it's actually super heavy. It's really nice, and I love the gold detail on it. Let's see if I can get it open so I can show. There we go. That's the pen. And then it also comes with this washi and it has gold foil on it. This really pretty paper clip, mug and floral stamp. I love the eyelashes. This material here, and then 3 paper clips so that you can go ahead and hot glue them. You can use hot glue or E6000. I think that's the name of the glue, like super strong glue, so that you can glue it on to both sides of the paper clip and make a pen holder or a pen clip. These cute tabs, and they're all foiled. So pretty. And these tabs come with all of these stickers. Look at how cute. I love the light pink stickers. Plenty of sheets so that you can use them multiple times. Main kit also comes with all of these tabs, and they're like a thick cardboard so that you can make page markers. You have notes, month, weekly, today, lists, and then this really pretty green color. I love that metallic green. These adhesive pockets, and you have 2 in the smaller size, and the foil is gold, and then it has the scalloped edge on top. So pretty. And then these 2 bigger pockets in this mint green and this floral. Gorgeous. This month's kit also comes with a pen pouch, and I love how this little dangle on here is this cute gold bow. I'll show you the inside. Here's the inside. There's a mesh pouch on this side, and then a flap. You can put your favorite pens over here, and then more in the bottom pouch. Also another fabric pouch of the cup and the flowers. Lovely page markers, and I love how there's a gold foil on them, and there's pink and mint bows on there. So pretty. I love those. You can add some washi strips to it with a bunch of these adorable felt flowers. Well, I don't actually think they're felt, but they're just like this really soft material. And then it has these gold little rhinestones, and you can stick them in the middle and adorn and decorate that way. So, so cute. This month's kit also comes with these 2 sticky note pads, and I love the size of these. These are really amazing. You have the date up here. Don't forget to-do list, notes, menu, happening today, and then some water checker. And then this one has weekly planner up at the top. It has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then the month, important to do, notes, and let's go weekend. We also have glitter edgers and bows. Deco stickers, so we have that, and they are all gold foiled. These little washi strips, so pretty. We have these deco sheets, gorgeous. Next, the main kit comes with all of these die cuts, and let's go ahead and go through these die cuts really quickly. And then these cards, these 3x3 cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave all the links below so that you can subscribe to the kits if you were interested. And I will leave links below to our Instagram and our Facebook group. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.